Hello, good morning everyone. Ang topic natin today is ano ba ang pwedeng maikaso sa mga marites at marisol? Are you ready? Seryoso na ako. So, I experienced it. So, based sa ating Civil Code of the Philippines, and, I experienced it around, though, ever since I was a kid naman siguro, madami na talagang gano'n, mga panirang puri. Even sa Bible, it is already written na hindi maganda ang gossiping. So, the moral standard at saka yung, yung, yung personality ng tao, yun yung nasisira, yung integrity niya. So, it's very important to keep a good name and speak good words sa kapwa nating tao. And we are not called to judge each other, but God who judge us. So I took accounting, I took corporate law, even the company itself, they have their good name to take care of. So even yung customer service nila, dapat satisfied ang client nila upang positive ang feedback sa company. So, I experienced it in 2017, 2018. Worst case scenario, umabot sa cyber libel. And uh, it's betrayal, it's from the people na ka-close mo din talaga. So, makapagbagbagdamdamin siya. Para siyang, hindi siya MMK pang hanggat may katwiran, ipaglaban mo. So, hindi ako, it should be cyber libel, slander, ganyan. So, you can just check my Facebook account. Merong law class 101. So, ako kasi by pain ako By pain ako to learn something. So, I did my research. I checked the Family Code of the Philippines. I checked the Civil Code. I read everything. So, hindi ako nag-file ng any case. Number one, accounting major ako, double major ako ng financial management. I know, banking and finance, I know if they have the capacity, if it's worth fighting for. Not every time the dog barks, you stop. So, is it worth fighting for? Ganyan, are these people have the capacity to pay for legal matters? So, it's just a waste of time, and the justice of God is more swift than our justice system in the Philippines. So, yun lang po.